Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we're going to continue our lesson on chapter, I think it's chapter 10. Yes, chapter 10. Yeah, National Income Accounting. Okay, before we go to the National Income Accounting itself, kita kena tahu dulu the components of macroeconomics. So you can go to page 282. Okay, so basically the components of macroeconomic consists of four segments. Yeah, four segments or four aspects. As the first one is household. Yeah, so who is household? Household is us lah. Yeah, so household owns all the factors of production, and it will supply the factors of production to the firms because firms need factors of production from the household. And then household will buy the goods and services produced by the firm. So that is the function of household. Kedua, kita ada firms. So firms is the private organisation that hires the input, land, labour, capital, entrepreneur from the household and provide the output to the household, right? And then government collects taxes from household and firms, and government revenue will be spent to produce public goods, for developments, and expenditure for the goods, for the people, rest of the world or foreign sector consists of import and also export, right? So we're going to look at the circular flow of income of two sector model. So untuk you all punya syllabus, kita tengok two sector model dulu. Okay, so why is that very important? Nak kena ada household, nak kena ada firm? Yes, it's important because they are related, because they are dependent to each other. Contohnya dekat sini untuk two sector model kita hanya akan tengok household dan juga firm. So you look at page 283, 284. So kalau kita tengok circular flow dia, so circular flow dia, first of all, kalau saya boleh tunjuk di sini, so this is household. So household akan supply all the factors of production to the firm. Sebab household yang owns the factors of production. So firm akan bayar kepada household the factors of production yang dia dah beri dan supply lah. Kalau labour dia akan dapat wages. Kalau capital dia dapat interest. Kalau land dia dapat rent. Kalau entrepreneur dia dapat profit. Kemudian firm will use the factors of production to produce goods and services and will supply the goods and services to the household. Maknanya household akan belilah produk yang dia dah hasilkan tu. Kemudian household akan buat payment to the firm. So ini adalah kita kata circular flow model for two sector model, di mana both household and firms are dependent, are actually interrelated among each other. Dia memerlukan antara satu sama lain. Alright. Now we go to the concepts of national income, page 286. Okay, dia ada konsep of national income ni ada beberapa lah yang you kena betul-betul faham sebab dia adalah something that is I think new to you. Okay, so the first concept of national income adalah gross domestic product and gross national product. You can look at page 286. So gross domestic product is the total market value of all final goods and services produced within a given period of time by factors of production located within a country. So maknanya GDP ni adalah diambil kira all the factors, all the goods and services, final goods and services produced in a country. In a country. Contohnya kalau semua barang dihasilkan di dalam Malaysia, itu kita panggil pendapatan ataupun dia punya outcome dia kita panggil sebagai gross domestic product. Right, so GDP ni, gross domestic product exclude goods and services produced by Malaysian citizen working overseas. But includes value of output produced by foreign workers in Malaysia. Maknanya everything yang produced in Malaysia, in our country, in Malaysia, tak kisahlah Malaysian atau foreigner, dia diambil kira. Tapi kalau Malaysian citizen, Malaysian working overseas dekat UK, dia punya pendapatan output tidak dikira. Dia bukan GDP. Yeah? So what about GNP, Gross National Product? So it is defined as the total market value of all final goods and services produced by the residents of a country during a given period of time. Ya, maknanya dia kira pendapatan yang dihasilkan oleh residents. Tak kisah residents itu berada di dalam negara atau di luar negara. Ya, maksudnya kalau orang Malaysia bekerja di Malaysia, bekerja di luar negara, pendapatan dia akan diambil kira. Okay. Okay. So GNP ni, ya, macam mana nak dapatkan GNP? GNP adalah Gross Domestic Product plus Net Factor Income from Abroad. So net factor income from abroad ni apa? Factors, ya, income received from abroad, kita tolak dengan factors income paid abroad. Maknanya income yang pendapatan yang kita dapat dari luar negara, tolakkan dengan pendapatan yang kita bayar ke luar negara. So GNP adalah GDP plus net factor income abroad. Kemudian kita akan tengok the second concept adalah market price and factor cost. So what is market price? The current price in the market through the forces of demand and supply. So itu adalah harga semasa yang determined by the market, demand and supply. Factor cost, the price of output that is valued based on the cost of factors of production. Ya, so untuk factor cost kita nak value produk itu menggunakan cost. Ya, kalau labor contohnya wages, kalau capital interest and so on. Jadi kalau kita nak kira GDP contohnya, GDP kita nak tukar GDP, ya, daripada factor cost, ya. Kalau kita nak dapatkan GDP at factor cost, maksudnya GDP market price tolak indirect tax plus subsidi. Tolak indirect tax tambah subsidi. Sama juga kalau nak ambil nak kira GNP at factor cost, GNP at market price tolak indirect tax tambah subsidi. So that is how we calculate nak tukar daripada factor cost kepada market price. Kemudian konsep yang ketiga adalah Gross National Product and Net National Product. Maksudnya Net National Product tu national income lah, ya. So Gross National Product ataupun kita kata we can straight away go to the national income ataupun Net National Product tu lah, ya. So the value of national income, ya, Net National Product atau national income adalah value of national income adjusted by the value of depreciation or gross national income minus depreciation. So nak dapatkan national income adalah apa? GDP at market price tolak depreciation. Ataupun GNP at market price tolak depreciation. So that is how we calculate for national income. And then personal income. Yeah? So what is personal income? The real income earned by the household before they pay personal income tax. So personal income ini adalah income sebenar yang kita dapat, ya, sebelum kita tolak kita punya income tax. Okay? Jadi sebelum itu kita kena tengok dulu, ya. So kalau lah, ya, national income yang kita dah dapat itu, kita perlu tolakkan dengan beberapa komponen untuk dapatkan personal income, ya. So komponen yang pertama adalah corporate tax, kedua retained earning, ketiga employees provident fund, EPF. EPF tu yang KWSP itulah, Social Security Contribution. So di mana dia menjaga kebajikan pekerja lah, kalau contohnya terkena accident ke apa di tempat kerja, dia akan dapat bayaran sokso tu lah. And insurance premium. So tolak dengan 5 komponen ini dapat personal income. Ya, maknanya apa? Personal income adalah national income tadi, tolak dengan 5 komponen ini dapatlah personal income. Dan yang terakhir sekali, disposable personal income. The real income earned by the household before they pay personal income tax. Ya, kita kata apa? Disposable income is the value of personal income minus personal income tax. Ya, so value of personal income yang kita dapat tadi tolak saja dengan personal income tax, dapatlah disposable income. Ya, so this disposable income can be spent or saved by the household. Ikutlah, kalau kita nak simpan-simpan, kalau nak spend untuk beli barang dan perkhidmatan. Right? So, after this, kita nak tengok methods of calculating national income.